HistoCore SPECTRA Workstation application, CV cleaning. Cleaning the cover slip line and shifter tongue. Wear cut-resistant safety gloves when cleaning the cover slip line and shifter, and use a lint-free cloth to wipe off dirt and residues. Exchange of suction cups. Slide the pick and place module away from the waste tray to inspect the tray for any broken cover glasses. If you find broken glass, remove the tray and clean it thoroughly. Slide the pick and place module back into place. Examine the suction cups for signs of damage, dirt, or deformation. Carefully remove any damaged or dirty suction cups from the pick and place module using a pair of bent tweezers and dispose in accordance with laboratory regulations. Attach the suction cups at the front or rear of the pick and place module using a pair of bent tweezers.